Difficult to understand conversations in loud places? Try hearDELIGHT as AI earplug. Download the hearDELIGHT app on your smartphone and pair earplug Bluetooth earbuds or hearing protection Bluetooth headphones to your smartphone. A demo audio was recorded in a noisy computer lab. hearDELIGHT demo, raw input sound.
Before AI noise blocking. After AI noise blocking.
hearDELIGHT demo, hearDELIGHT output sound.
Before AI noise blocking. After AI noise blocking.
hearDELIGHT works as AI earplug with the following Bluetooth earbuds and headphones. For details, please visit hearDELIGHT.com. Thank you.